Hi there, welcome to this new video where we'll be creating a channel logo or a channel icon. Here are the timestamps for the video in case you want to jump to a particular section. Okay, so the first thing is, why create a YouTube channel logo? Well, a YouTube channel logo will significantly increase your credibility. It can also show your professionalism and gives a brand a specific identity. You can look at all the famous companies and all the famous YouTubers, they are recognized by their channel logo. Now there's no fault if you want to upload your picture as your channel logo, as many famous YouTubers do that too. Now you must be asking, what do I need to do in order to upload a channel logo? Well, first we'll be exploring the YouTube Studio icon and the channel page, and then we'll be heading to our Google account where we can do the modifications. You can straight away upload your channel logo there if you have made it already, or you can upload your own profile picture if that is what you intended for your channel, or you can upload a channel logo with me as we created and upload it. Now where can you make your channel logo? Many applications and designing platforms that can enable you to create a channel logo. The most famous ones are from Adobe, and they are called Photoshop and Illustrator. Any graphic designer can create your channel logo as well. We'll be using a graphic design company called Canva and their website, which includes a free editor and a lot of templates to choose from to create our channel logo. If you're not familiar with Photoshop or Illustrator and you use some other graphic designing application like GIMP, then you can always use that, or whatever application, website or graphic designing tool you are most familiar with. Now let's get started and head over to our browser. Now how do you change your channel icon? In this video I'm going to show you how to change your channel icon and also make a channel icon as well. You can see that I'm in my YouTube dashboard right here. Now you can see my channel icon is the default channel icon that is provided by Google. If you go ahead and you click on it, it will just open your channel page. When your channel page opens up, you should go ahead and click on the icon again. And when you do, you will see a small camera icon open. And I want you to go ahead and click on it, and then you can see the dialog box that says you can edit your profile picture. Now I want you to go ahead and click on edit, and you will be taken to a page of your Google account. Now in this page you can upload your profile picture right away. It could be any picture that you have, but since I'm going to create a profile picture, a channel logo for my channel, I will show you the steps in order to do that. Now you can see that I have opened up Google in a new tab, and in this I'm going to search for Canva. Canva is a graphic designing company that will help you design your channel logo. So you can go ahead and click on the first link that will take you to the Canva website. Now in here you have three options to log in. You can either log in with sign up with Google, or sign up with Facebook, or sign up with another email. The good thing about Chrome is that it will automatically help me sign in with my Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once logged in for the first time, you will see this pop-up which will ask for what you will be using the Canva website designing skills for. So here are a lot of options, but I'm just going to go ahead with the personal use. Next, Canva will ask you if you want to try their premium membership, which will have a lot of features, and it is free for 30 days, but you can just go ahead and click on maybe later. And then you can start your first design right here. You can design a lot of things, but since we are making a logo, I want you to go ahead and click on logo. Now any logo that you make will have 500 by 500 pixels. So you can use those dimensions if you're creating your logo in Photoshop or any other graphic designing application. Now I went ahead and clicked on logo, and Canva has opened up its editor right in front of me. Now in here in this editor you have a lot of options to choose from. You can choose your own template. You can have the editor right beside. You can add your own photos, and then when you're done, you can publish your design. Now, when you go into the templates tab, you have a range of templates, a lot of different design elements. For example, your animated logo, it could be a gaming logo, it could be a badge logo or a fashion logo. There are loads to choose from to meet your channel's genre. Now, if you keep scrolling, you will see that Canva just updates and keeps on giving you recommendations for its templates. So what I will do is I will scroll all the way up and see the For You tab. In here, I will have a few selected designs that will suit my channel, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of them. Once I'm done picking one of them, I just go ahead and click on it, and it will open the logo in the editor beside. Now, editing the logo and the text is really easy in Canva. All you need to do is just click on the text and you can type in whatever your channel name is. You can have a lot of editing options for the text as well. You can change the font size, the color. You can make it bold or in italic. You can change its paragraph style, and you can also give more effects and change its position in the whole canvas. Now I'm just going to try to edit a quick logo right here. You can also change the colors in the background, and you can also change the colors of the elements in your design, as you can see. Now once you're done with your design, or if not, you can go ahead and try out the different designs until you feel better and comfortable with the channel logo. Once you're done with your final design and you feel like that is your logo, you can just go ahead and click on the download icon on the top right. It will recommend you to download it in the PNG format, and it will automatically set your size and all the other settings. So all you need to do now is just click on download. It will just ask you to wait a few seconds, and the file will start downloading in your browser. Once the file has been downloaded, you can go back to the previously opened tab, and then you can click on add profile picture. Now all you need to do is just drag and drop your profile picture in it, and it will automatically start uploading. Once the upload has been completed, Google will ask you if you want to resize your profile picture, and you can do so as per your requirement. You can also rotate the logo if you want to rotate it left or right. Once you're done, then all you need to do is click on the blue set as profile photo icon. It will take a few minutes to refresh and set that profile picture as your channel icon. So all I can suggest is just take 1 or 2 minutes and then refresh your channel page. You can see that in the YouTube Studio, my channel icon has been refreshed and uploaded. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to create a channel logo and how to upload it to your YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and tell me which platform you used and how your channel logo turned out to be. Until then, I'll see you next time.